Welcome back, guys. So this is gonna be a get ready with me. So I actually just plopped this wig on my head. Now honestly, this wig, this is no brand new wig. I've had this wig for probably like a solid 2 years. Yes, it's from rpghair.com. This hair I tweaked it some. All I did was really cut it, and I did apply some color to the roots. Now, you know, when I got it, that's what I did. I wanted to darken the roots a bit. When I initially applied the color, it had a little pink look to it, and I didn't mind it. It looked really pretty. So I rocked it out until I decided that the other day last year I toned it, so it kind of removed some of that color, and I really love the way it looks. It looks so nice. Whenever I wear this wig, I get so much compliments. It is bomb. It is so bomb, and it's really fluid, full of life, and this is after 2 years, guys. I mean, I feel like these type of updates are very important, because after all, you want to know how durable these wigs are. You can't just be spending money on wigs every day. You want to know that what you're buying is quality. And when I tell you, this wig been there with me, but throw it down sometime and it look like it done. Once I wash it, straighten it, it's good to go again. So I'm gonna be rocking this today. Today is actually my mother's birthday, so we're gonna be going out to dinner and stuff, you know, to celebrate her. So I'm just getting ready for that at the moment. So I'm gonna be doing my makeup and stuff. But yeah, I just really want to slay my hair, so that's what I'm gonna do now. And I wanna know the drill already. And finish laying that, darken the parting. Definitely needed to be darkened. But guys, just look on this. I don't apply any product to the hair, like the flyaway portion. I just use a little bit of the flyaway balm, which came in my most recent RPG hair package. I don't use too much of this because I don't want to have that, like, I don't want to have like a lot of like residual buildup. So just a bit to get down every single flyaway, and everything looks super sleek. But I really love this wig just because, like, usually with 613 hair has a tendency to be drier and just looks very trashy after a while. This 2 years and it's still standing strong. It's lovely. It's lovely, and it just made a perfect bob. I'm gonna put the link to this wig in the description box, so if you guys are interested in getting it, you can go ahead and do so. It lays perfectly. All right, one pass with my flat iron and it's good. All right, and as you guys know, I use the titanium Babyliss Pro flat iron, and I straighten it at like 450 degrees. But anyway, so while my edges are continuing to lay, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my makeup. I feel like I'm going to speed through portions with this, like anything that I feel like probably is repetitive, I just was really excited to do this get ready with me, just because I'm in the mood to get doll up. I'm actually going to do my brows today with this. This is my Black Radiance Precision Brow Sculptor, and it looks like this. It has a spoolie at the end, and it's a retractable liner. I'm going back in with my Revlon Photo Ready primer because I'll be out all evening, all night. We're gonna be having drinks, so you know it's like when you're out, your face has a way to just, your skin has a way to produce a lot of oils, and you get oily after a while. You know, this really calms it down, as I said in a previous get ready with me. I'm going in with the Instabake Beauty Bakery foundation. I'm just gonna highlight, and I want my highlight to be very poppy. I've been stuck going on my way, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with in with this palette, Alamar Cosmetics, which is so busted. You guys know this is a well-used palette, and I want to take this shade. Name of it is Tropico or Tropico. I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes me. There's just something about putting color. There's something about just putting color in the crease and leaving it for me. Like, I haven't been into like applying lid colors and stuff. I really don't feel like doing the most with the eyes. I'm just all about lashes and a little bit of something in my crease of my eyes. It's only when it's like a specific type of occasion then you'll see me go all out with eyeshadow, but I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck going on my way, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some
we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear
That's it for this, for me applying my wig and my makeup. I'm gonna go and get dressed. I'm not gonna put on my lipstick just yet, but I'm going to be applying red lips today just because it's gonna give the whole look and a really nice pop. And I'm wearing blonde hair, and I love how red lips look with blonde hair. But because I'm not ready like to leave yet, I'm not gonna put it on as yet. See, you know what the gist of. So yeah, you guys will see the slow-mos. I'm gonna be applying the Il Makiage Matte Rager liquid lipstick, by the way, and that's from their holiday collection. Very gorgeous red. I get so many questions about it when I wear it, and it's lovely. But yeah, don't forget to check out my description box to get the link for this wig. 10 out of 10 would recommend. That's it.